How to fix 502 error in Google Meet. Check Google Meet server status. Open your web browser and go to Down Detector. You can copy the link from our article linked in the video description. Check for user issue reports to determine whether Google Meet servers are down or experiencing connection issues. Method 1. Change the DNS server address. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in ncpa.cpl and click OK. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Tick Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server, type in 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS server, type in 1.0.0.1. Click OK. Select Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, and click Properties. Tick Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server, type in 260.6:4700:4700:1111. In the alternate DNS server, type in 260.6:4700:4700:1001. Click OK. Restart your PC. Method 2. Clear web browser cache. Clear Google Chrome cache. Launch Google Chrome. Click the ellipsis at the top right corner. Select More Tools and click Clear Browsing Data. Select the Advanced tab. Open the Time Range menu and select All Time. Mark the browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files checkboxes. Click Clear Data. Clear Mozilla Firefox cache. Launch Mozilla Firefox. Open the menu and select Settings. Select the Privacy and Security panel. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section, and click Clear Data. Mark the Cookies and Site Data and Cached Web Content checkboxes, and click Clear. Click Clear now. Clear Microsoft Edge cache. Launch Microsoft Edge. Open the menu and select Settings. Click Privacy, Search, and Services in the right pane. Under Clear Browsing Data, click the Choose What to Clear button. Open the Time Range menu and select All Time. Mark the browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files checkboxes. Click Clear now. Method 3. Restore Windows Defender firewall settings to default. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in firewall.cpl and click OK. In the left pane, click Restore Defaults. In the next window, click Restore Defaults. Click Yes. Click Advanced Settings. In the right pane of the Windows Defender Firewall window, click Restore Default Policy. Click Yes. Click OK once the default policy has been restored. Method 4. Disable the proxy server. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in netcpl.cpl and click OK. In the Internet Properties window, select the Connections tab. Click LAN Settings. Unmark the use of proxy server for your LAN checkbox. Mark the Automatically Detect Settings checkbox. Click OK. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.